This is research process lecture in research methodology. So here we have 10 steps in research process. The first one is identify the research problem. That means in which area or in which topic you want to do the research. First identify what is the problem in that particular area and then identify the problem. And the second one is review the literature. Depending upon the research problem, just review some literature which is already existing. Take that literature as a base and then formulate the hypothesis for your research problem. Depending upon the literature review and research problem, formulate the hypothesis. Hypothesis is nothing but just assumption, and then choose a appropriate research design. So to choose appropriate research design, we must have some research or research methodology knowledge. So with that knowledge, we can choose a appropriate research design in which research methodology we can solve this research problem. So after designing the research, then data collection. So here we have two types of data, primary and secondary. So depending upon your research problem, collect the data, then analyze the data. After that, for this data analysis, we will use many statistical tools, correlation, regression, mean, median, mode, time series analysis, and standard deviation, mean deviation, and so on. So we can choose the appropriate statistical tool. So after analyzing the data, we'll get some results. So we have to interpret those results. So interpret those results into statistical terms, and then report writing. Prepare a report about your results, your findings, and your methodology, and your research design, and your data. So after writing the report, present your findings to the public. Then write the conclusion. So what is your research problem and what is your conclusion? After that, give some future recommendations. So these are the 10 steps in research process. Identify the problem, review the literature, formulate the hypothesis, choose a research design, data collection, data analysis, interpret results, report and present findings, conclusion, and recommendations.